Now we have to see the role play in the real life scenario. So what is a role play? Role play is nothing but we are acting or imitating or characterizing someone's behavior which is different from ours. Yes. Means whatever we behave, whatever we were imitating from others, that behavior is not with us. That is totally different. So that is we are adopting others' nature or others' behavior into our life and acting in the group. In the group, it is called as what? Role play. So I read, role play is the act of limiting the character and the behavior of someone who is different from same own personalities. Role play takes place between two or more people. So who act out of resolve, explore the particular scenario. So how many persons are there in the role play? There are two persons are there in the role play. That is what they are. They are acting like others. It is called as what? Role play. Okay. Next is the steps in role play. So what are the steps in role play? The first one is we have to identify the situation. Okay. To start the process, gather the people, introduce the problem, encourage an open discussion to overall to the relevant issues. Second one, add details. Third one, assign roles. Fourth one is act out the scenario. Fifth one is discuss what you have learned. Okay, these are all the 5 steps are included in the role play. So what are the requirements is or requirements are needed is for role play. First one, strategic role play needs preparation, and it is a key factor for social and emotional learning and tools. Participants needs to effectively communicate from one. The other side is an argument, well, the motivation of the person. So one group of the people, what they will do, they will act, and other group of the people, they will observe and find out where is the mistake in it. Okay, so this is the two groups is required for playing a role play in the organization. So effective communication is important, and emotional learning tools, it is a very emotional learning tools, and it is very this strategic tool, it is a strategic tool. It is applicable for objectives. What is the objective? We have to understand the organizational objective. Okay, next is preparation of that. So how to prepare this activity? So what is the conflict is provided, or what is the case study is provided, that they have to do it, adapt as the wish and their own, what they have to do, and what is the case study is they are given. Okay, and understand the case study and act the case study accordingly, and act as a each character in the case study, and arrange the chairs for audience. So at the time of role play, it is not the only only the team members, those who are playing. For the audience also, you have to provide seats to them to watch and analyze your performance. Okay, next is the description of activities. Okay, so what is the activities really started? How to describe this activity to the team members? How to activities the team members? So the participants ಅವರನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. So act the scenario. Participants, they are acting in the scenario. At the end of the role play, the conflict has been resolved peacefully. So ಆ ರೋಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತೋ ಆ ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎ ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಯು ಮೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ new volunteers, so you can also involve new volunteers in the role play. So optional is what to emphasize the return to reality. Invite role players to spin in a circle one time when you are done and return to their true values. So what is the description in the sense? You have to tell about what is the problem to whom? To the audience. You are going to tell the problems in the audience and solve the problem. It is called as what? Description of activity. So it includes end of the role play. The group have to solve the problem and they try to did not work. They have to conflict should not be increased, or it could be character is tried of any of these similar situation. They do a firm suggestions of peaceful solution. They are providing a firm decisions and suggestions are provided. So do not make any unnecessary quarrel. Do not make any unnecessary misunderstanding between the team members. The role play should be what? Play at a very peace manner. Okay, very peace manner. Role play scenarios. What is the role play scenario? So the younger brother, okay, what is role play?